Assalamualaikum students, welcome to category C. Here's tell the different structure of the units. First of all, there would be the verb. The different verb which I tell you: stop, postpones, admit, avoid, and imagine, and along with somebody either in the shape of subject or either in the shape of the subjects. So you have to use this. I can't imagine George riding a motorbike. So you have to use this in the shape of uh, subject or either the object. Look at the exemplary sentences. I can't imagine George riding a motorbike. Or you also can use that you can't stop me doing what I want. So here is use of doing along with me or either the George or the Catherines. So you can use this. Look at the sentence structure. First of all, there would be the verb, then the name of the somebody, and then the ing form. It also used in the passive sentences with the words being done, seen, kept, and different other verbs. I don't mind being kept waiting, or I don't mind people keeping me. So you have to use this in different forms. In the category D, there is a different other structures. When you are talking about finished action, you can say having done मीन्स दैट जब एक काम या एक एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका होता है तो आपको उस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए you can also use the words having along with these sentences. For examples, they admitted having stolen in the money. मीन्स उसने कन्फेस किया है कि उसने ये रकम चुराई थी, तो वहाँ आप हैविंग वर्ड यूज़ करते हो थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ, और कुछ वर्ब हैं जो आप उसके बाद जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ ऊपर जो वो डिस्क्राइब किया गया था स्टॉप, पोस्टपोन, एडमिट और हैविंग। अब अगर आप हैविंग नहीं यूज़ करना चाह रहे तो आप क्या यूज़ करते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू यूज़ हैविंग। यू कैन ऑल्सो से दे एडमिटेड स्टीलिंग द मनी। मीन्स आप इसको दो फ्रेजेस में डिस्क्राइब करने की बजाय आप यहाँ पे स्टीलिंग भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, और अदर आप एक हैविंग वर्ड जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये आप तब करते हो जब आप काम कोई हो चुका होता है और उस चीज़ को आपने डिस्क्राइब करना होता है। आई नाउ रेग्रेट सेइंग व्हाट आई सेड, मतलब ये कहने का कि मुझे अब पछतावा हो रहा है जो मैंने कहा। अब ये बात हो चुकी हुई है, इसको आप यूँ भी डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो, आई नाउ रेग्रेट हैविंग सेड what I said. After some of the verbs on the page, especially admit, deny, suggest, you can use these words along with these sentences. They denied that they had stolen the money, or either the cherry suggested that we went to the cinema. So these denied word and suggested words. After these, the verb which you use you have to be the ing form and going along with the ing form. So after denied, it is compulsory to use the ing form, and suggested you use the compulsory form. So in the category A and B describes the different structure of the verb along with ing form, and C and the D category and the E category is totally different from the first structures, that there is a different verb that you can use ing form. Hope so you are quite clear about that, and then clearly understand it, and then we will read the next two topics.